Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending January 20th, the major indexes finished mostly lower as a slowing economy and fear of continued interest rate hikes moved investors to the sell side. Also, corporate earnings for the fourth quarter have so far undershot expectations. The producer price index declined the most since April of 2020, with prices of goods leading the decline. More than one half of the decline was due to a decline in energy prices. Industrial production was very weak in December, following another weak number in November, declining a more than expected 0.7% last month. The NAHB housing market index increased slightly to 35, although it is significantly lower than the level of 83 in January of 22. Business inventories continued to increase in November. Initial jobless claims decreased by 15,000 to 190,000 in the week ending January 14th, the lowest level since April of 2022. The housing market continued to point to a weakening housing sector as both permits and starts declined in December. And existing home sales and existing home sale prices continued to decline in December, reflecting the effects of higher mortgage interest rates. Year to date, the Dow is up 0.7%, the S&P is up 3.5%, and the Nasdaq is up 6.4%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 3.48%. The yield on the 2-year bond is 4.25%. Oil closed at $81.73 a barrel. Gold closed at $1,928.50 an ounce, with silver closing at $23.75 an ounce. For this week of January 23rd, Monday we'll get leading economic indicators data. Examples of those indicators are GDP, the Consumer Price Index or CPI, and employment data. Tuesday, the U.S. Manufacturing and Services PMI, or Purchasing Managers' Index, will be reported. Nothing to report on Wednesday. Thursday, we'll get initial jobless claims, durable goods orders, core capital goods orders, the first estimate of real GDP for the fourth quarter, and new home sales. And on Friday, real disposable income, real consumer spending, the PCE price index, pending home sales, and the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index, along with their 1- and 5-year inflation expectations. The PCE, or Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, is a measure of prices we pay for goods and services. Also, corporations will continue to report their fourth quarter earnings. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. In the meantime, be diversified with your investments and always know what you own in your portfolio. If you have any questions pertaining to your portfolio or anything you've heard in this video, give me a call. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a prosperous week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.